Howdy. Today I'm going to try to pick and gut these two American Series 5200 padlocks. They're both U.S. military issue, key retaining. Both have keys. There's the first one. Take a look at the bitting on that. Alright. Use this little paperclip tension tool, top the keyway, and a little homemade hook here. Very, very light pressure. Okay, there's one. So we're going to set this one aside right here. If I get this one done fast enough, here's the second one. Do it the same way. These locks pretty similar in terms of how much tension and touch they take. They're very, very touchy locks. Sometimes I'm not even pushing on the pins, more so just lightly scrubbing the bottom, because a lot of these are really close to the shear line already, and it's very easy to overset them. Of course, using light pressure sometimes makes it a little bit easier to overset them as well. Whoop. I didn't lose that. Yep, still got one. Which one? Okay, there's two. So let's see if we can quickly gut them. The first one. And I'll take a look and see what's inside. Set that on the side. And let me undo this one. That side there. Okay. Let's do the first one first. Get that off there. Okay. So let's see what pin 5. Oh, pin 5 is. Pin 5 is a serrated. Driver pin 5. Driver pin 4 is a serrated spool. Driver pin 3 is a serrated spool. 2 is a standard serrated. And 1 is a serrated spool. Oops. I'll have to figure out the order of these from the key bitting. But we're looking at there's number 2. So that's number 2. So we're looking at all serrated key pins as well. So that's this one. Well, let's take this one apart over here. Key. Get out there. Oh, losing my key pins. Oh, this is interesting. Oh no, that's not a good thing. We have a standard key pin in there, which I wasn't expecting to find. But now I've got, unfortunately, some drivers stuck up inside my keyway. Which is not something I really wanted to see. Let me dump the rest of my pins out here. These guys don't want to come out. There's one. And there's one that is stuck in there. Get out of there, buddy. Where's my handy dandy tweezers? Okay, so my key pins for this lock, a little bit worn, but basically we're looking at 4 serrated key pins and a single standard. So let me get my drivers out here. Let's get 5. 5 is a standard serrated. 4 is a serrated spool. 3 is another serrated spool. 2 is a standard serrated, and 1, I will pull it out here with the tweezers, is a standard serrated. So there you go. There are 2 American 5200 series with some security pins. Let me see if I can get a close-up of those pins here for you. There's the second one. And there's the first one. So you can see those spools and the serrated key pins and driver pins there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.